greenhouse frogs. Look what I found in the garden under that rock over there. Did you know that greenhouse frogs love moist habitats? And also, if you want to know the life cycle of a frog, this video is perfect. Because the life cycle of a frog starts with an egg, then a tadpole, then a froglet, then an adult frog, because this is the adult frog. And if it's little, doesn't mean it's still a baby. It means it's just adult. If it's a baby, it means it has to be a froglet with a tail. But you see, it doesn't have a tail, so it's an adult frog. And also, greenhouse frogs love ants, roaches, spiders, and also worms.